Tired of endless scrolling and ready to reclaim your online privacy? Let's permanently delete your Facebook account, step by step. First things first, before waving goodbye to Facebook, consider downloading your information. This allows you to keep photos, posts, and other data you've shared. To do this, click the downward facing arrow in the top right corner of Facebook. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings. In the left-hand column, click on your Facebook information. You'll see several options here. Click on Download your information. Now, you can choose the date, range, format, and media quality of your download. Select your preferences and then click Request a download. It may take some time for Facebook to compile your data. Once you have your backup, let's proceed with deleting your account. Go back to your Facebook information section. This time, click on Deactivation and Deletion. You'll be presented with two options: deactivate account and delete account. Deactivating is temporary. Deleting is permanent. Choose delete account and click continue to account deletion. Facebook will try to persuade you to stay. Review the information, such as alternatives to deleting, and then click delete account. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter your password to confirm the deletion. Enter your password and click continue. A final confirmation screen will appear, stating that your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember, you have a short window, usually 30 days, to cancel the deletion. If you change your mind by logging back in after that, your account and all your information will be permanently gone. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your Facebook account for permanent deletion. Take control of your digital footprint.